this video, we're going to be talking about blower motors, blower resistors, and modules, and just the different functions of each. This is your blower motor housing. Houses the blower motor, which is just a electric motor with, this one's just got a 2-pin connector, got a plastic wheel, it spins, pushes the air through your system. Also inside this case is your blower motor resistor. And this is going to be local to your blower motor in just about every application. It actually has to have cooling air from the blower motor. So it's always going to be in the HVAC case close to the motor. This is an old type resistor. You found these on old Fords, GMs, Chryslers, and what they have is coils on the back, and the length and the type and the diameter of the coil depends on the resistance. So what was happening with these, you turn your air on low, medium, high, and the way it's wired, it would go through the correct one to get your speed for your blower motor. Now on these, they get very hot and they can burn, they can separate, and when that happens, you just replace this. But you also want to check your blower motor to make sure you're not getting too much resistance from the motor. This is also a resistor. Again, it's for a 1, 2, 3, 4 speed. This one's out of a Honda. You can see it's got the cooling fin, so it would actually go in the case as well. Now when the resistor goes out, lots of times you'll still have high fan speed. You just won't have any other speeds. What that's doing is you're actually bypassing the resistor altogether. So the full voltage coming from your battery is going straight to the blower motor. Any of your resistors, you can have that same issue. Now so far all of these have been resistors, and these are usually for your manual AC. Now a blower module is usually for your automatic air. And usually it's a smooth turn. It's not a 1, 2, 3. As you send a signal to your computer, just letting it know that you want to increase or decrease your fan speed. And the computer actually sends the information to this module to control the speed. If this goes out, most of the time you lose blower speed altogether. If you hear noise coming from your blower motor, most of the time it has bearings inside that are breaking down. They can cause more resistance. It can actually burn up your module or your resistor. Always check the pins inside. Give it a quick look. Make sure you don't have any burnt spots, any melting plastic, anything like that, loose pins. If you do, then you're going to need to change your harness. So for counterpersons, when you're looking up your blower motor for your vehicle, just make sure after your make model, make sure you're getting the front or the rear blower motor. Sometimes you have a turn-in flange or a bolt-in flange or the electrical connector on the blower motor. If there's any burnt spots, anything like that, you want to go ahead and recommend a blower module or blower resistor, as well as the wiring, the pigtail for the system. To make it simple, GPD offers a blower motor kit that comes with the module or resistor, as well as the wiring, just to make sure you get the job done right the first time.